good morning.
Why?
Hi, ayan na.
Good morning, guys.
You can have it.
Nagpatimpla siyang kape kay Race.
There's like 10.
Oh, okay. Sige, may foam yung sa'yo. Mas maganda rin yung
On your second one.
ginawa ni Race na latte. Sa kanya kasi Nescafe lang yan.
Mabango din.
Good morning ka dito, tayo.
Good morning, guys.
Hindi siya, walang signal dito, guys.
Wala
As in.
Wala sira yung negosyo.
Negosyo, wala. Lugi negosyo sa bakasyon dito. Where's Holly, Baba?
Doon sa labas yun, nakakain na yun ng nuggets. Buti pa.
Wala pang breakfast?
That's okay.
Oo nga. Si nanay, pinakain niya raw mga bata ng nuggets. Ha? You're playing with Ate Isha. Say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning.
Okay, say what you're gonna say to your vlog. Oh, listen. Come on. If you have a vlog, what you gonna do?
Hi guys. Welcome to All Things Holly.
Ano yun?
Hi guys. Welcome to All Things Holly.
All things home. Good job. High five.
Again, louder. Louder, Baba.
Again.
Louder. Okay, louder. Louder, Baba.
Hi guys. Welcome to All Things Holly.
Dadaan na car. Nandyan si Holly sa middle. And ayan, gumilid siya doon. No? Tapos kinuha siya ni nanay. Bye-bye, alright? Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Dito kami sa harap ng namin, cabin. Ayan yung view namin.
Chloe.
It's blowing. It's nice today. Is it nice weather today?
And now the flood is at the end.
Yes. So dito lang kami nag-chill. Oh, baba. Okay, palubog. Okay. Si Mark, pinifeed niya yung mga ducks. Ayan. First, are you done feeding the ducks, Mark? Ayun na yung mga ducks. Nagpapaalam siya. Where are you going? Bike track. Okay. Just be careful, okay? Yeah, but it's windy, Baba. What's going on, Zach?
Yeah, flood is big.
Serious ako.
One did.
Do you like it here, Zach? Huh? Zaki, do you like it here? Because you were little that time. Yes, we did. No, we were there.
Go, shoot. No more food.
Where are you going? Okay, be careful, okay? Nandito na sila, guys. Yes? What? Oh, when Daddy comes. Umalis si Jan. Why?
Because it's hard to pedal.
Okay. Where's Daddy?
He's gone.
Yeah, where did he go? Umalis si Jan, pumunta siya sa McDonald's kasama si Dan. Kumain sila ng breakfast. Ayaw niya magpatali, kaya siya umiiyak. Yung book niya, nasa ano niya, mata. It's alright. See? Now you look okay, Baba. You're pretty. No more hair on your eyes. Alright. Ayaw niya magpatali ka. Ganito kami pag tinatalian ko siya, nagagalit siya. Kasi nasasaktan kasi siya eh. Dito ba? Ayaw niya yung yan. Hi, Baba! Ligo na ako, guys. Sarap. Gutom lang tayo. Wala pa tayong breakfast. Oh. Wala pa kayong breakfast. Nandito na si Jan at si Dan. Bumili sila ng breakfast nila sa McDonald's. Pero kami hindi na kayo nagpabili kasi nga may tira pa kaming yung nilutong salmon and meron pang konting pork chop na binarbecue. Andun sila. Oh. Muni-muni sila doon. Tinatry kong binoblower yung buho ko, pero yung blower nila parang ambagal. So dito mas mahangin, oh. Marami na jet ski. Narinig niyo? Tulog pa ba sila, Day? Tulog pa ba sila, ano? The girls?
Hindi naman siguro.
Siguro, hindi.
Initin ko yung paksiw ha.
Oh, sige. I-try ko ulit i-blower tong buhok ko.
Sige ko.
Madilim daw, walang ilaw.
Meron ay. Yan ay.
Madilim. Wala.
Ito.
Ayan. Sige, mag-blower muna ako. Blower. Ito yung pang-blower nila. Ha? Ayan, yung kilay.
Kilay at saka yung...
Andito, oh. Dai. Lagay ko dito, ha? Okay. And ako, patuyin natin tong buhok na to. Ito yung blower nila, oh. Ang hina. Pero makaka-dry naman siya. Pero medyo matagal nga lang. Tapos ko na siyang i-blower. And plinansya ko rin siya ng konti para lang maging straight siya. So, ayan. Okay na. Magkikilay na lang. And lipstick. So, okay na ako. And ito pala yung aking OOTD today, guys. Bumukas yung pinto kasi si Jan maliligo na rin. So, ito yung outfit ko today. Ano bang tawag dito? Crop top. Tapos, may butones siya dyan all the way down. And skirt. So, naka-ano ko yung parang leggings na shorts sa ano, para hindi siya liparin. So, ganyan yung likod niya. And, ito yung binili ni Jan na Havaianas kahapon. So, may makeup lang tayo. Maglalayaw ng kilay. Off ko na to. And, si Jan naman yung gagamit dito. Okay, I'm good. Gising na sila, Day? So, magkikilay lang ako. Ito pala yung bigay sa akin ni Lax Out Loud. Ito yung bigay niya, guys. Oh. Lalagyan ng makeup pouch. Ayan yung ating pangkilay. So, magkilay muna tayo, guys.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately, I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to.
Tapos na ako magkilit, lipstick, and kakain na kami series ng init. Thank you, Race.
Livi, kasi ano naman niya yung friend.
Sino yun?
Friend yan daw ni Unimar. Ay, di naman niya yun.
Hindi niya alam na ngayon na, oo, di ba, alis na tayo?
Kain tayo.
Ang sarap. Ikaw po, pagkain ka. Magluto tayo nga.
Kumain na ng sandwich eh.
Kumain ka na.
Sino nagsabi na kumakain siya ng sandwich?
Kumakain si ate.
Uy, damihan mo pa. Share tayo dun. Kami. Kunti lang yung pinuha mo.
Okay na.
Ay, kuha ka ng rice dito. Kami.
You wanna eat? Ang sarap.
She's just outside, Papa. She's just
Ay, ang
outside.
sarap. Magluto. Si Rice. Magluto mo Rice kasi.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately, I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running. Let's just stay here together.
Ito ang favorite word niya, tsaka. Dito na si Jan. Umalis siya eh. Nandito na si Dan. Ipa-vlog niya si Jan. Andiyan na si Jan.
Sige na, Phil.
Ano? How did you go?
Yeah.
Good?
Are they just all stringed up, the kangas? Done. Yeah.
Then he took me, and you know, you get that beef jerky.
Yeah.
So he
Oh,
makes
pumasok ako dito. Let me see. Look.
Yeah, because you haven't got it.
He was like Tito Dan nga. Pinasaan niya ng tubig. Tapos nilagyan ng gel. Nagulat kami si Kaisa kasi andito siya, oh. You're right, Nanak? Oh, good job. Good job. Nahiya na siya. Good job, Baba. May dala siya, guys, na gel. Siya ang naglagay. Dalawa to. Isa nito, tsaka yung isa. Nasaan kayong isa? Where's the other one? Ipupuntahan kami, guys, pero hindi namin alam kung saan. So, ipa-follow na lang namin si Danny Boy. Wow.
It's hot.
Kasi yung ano, car nila nakaharap sa sun. Okay. Hi, ate! Dito pala si ate. Hi, kuya. Ah, dito pala si... I like your hair, ate. Is your mom knows that you're here? Okay, good. Init ngayon. How many degrees today, Han? 34 at the moment.
Gonna be 37.
It will be 37? Okay.
36.
Okay. Ang daming nag-jet ski, guys. Ayun, oh. Mayroon dun. Wait lang, ha. Nakaharang yung... Wait, Baba. Gusto nila lang. i-volume up yung music. Ayan, oh. Marami nag-jet ski dito, guys. Ayun, nakapark na sila. Sana pwedeng hiramin. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Dalawa. And marami pa doon sa may area namin. Bye muna. Bye-bye swimming. See you later. Tinatanong ko si Jan kasi nasa unahan kami yung nagli-lead. Hindi niya naman alam kung saan pupunta. Do you really know where we're going, honey?
Don't know, I'm just driving slow.
I don't know, pero nagdadrive lang daw siyang slow. Andun yung 3 cars sa likod namin. Hindi niya naman alam kung saan kami pupunta. Eto, nag-stop na kami. Hintayin na namin yung mga kasama namin. Kasi hindi naman talaga niya alam kung saan kami pupunta. So, ayan na. Hi!
You're not asleep, Rose? No. I'm gonna have to. I've seen.
Tony.
Where's Love's car and that?
Did the toy
Nah.
coming?
There's 2 of them. We've been waiting for the. No, that's behind them, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the 3 of them. No.
Nah,
Oh, I see them.
I reckon. Yeah, you know where? There you go.
Okay, done. Okay, si nauna. Who's next? Okay. Okay, then go.
What we lost?
No, Tito Mark. Where's Mark?
They're up second.
Ah, okay.
4th, right? I'm going to
Okay. Fifth, we're
Hang on, Zachy.
fifth. Nasa pinaka-last na kami, guys. Ando na sila.
Put your window up, Zachariah.
Doon na sila.
Put the window up. I've got the aircon on.
That's right. Ando na kami, guys. Ang bilis lang. Siguro how many minutes, ha? Mga 10 minutes lang. Dito kayo pupunta, oh. Oh. Diyan kayo pupunta, guys, sa 23rd Street. Distillery Landmark.
My baby mommy.
Okay, you can bring your baby, Baba, if you want to. Wait, Baba. Wait, Baba, wait.
Come on, hurry up.
Okay. Here you go, Baba. Okay, pasok na tayo dito, guys. Holly, come on! Ayan. Hindi, akala ko ang layo ng pupuntahan natin. Dito lang pala. Ayan, dito kami, guys. Magta-try kayo? Hindi. Oo. Hindi rin ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong ganap, guys. Pero ayan, yung mga boys, nag-uusap-usap.
Gutom ka na ba?
Hindi, busog ako dahil.
Gutom kayo?
Ako, I'm good. What? Okay, let's go. Holly, come on, Baba. Baba. Verse 6. Doon na sila, nag-order na sila ng food. Kami ni Race, hindi kakain kasi busog kami. Anong dala niya? What's that? Ay, ang against the light. Ayan yung drink. What's that, Zach? Tropical what? Classic juice, natural juice, tropical. Made in Australia. Yan ang drink nila. Same as Kuya. Thank you.
That's your tropical juice.
Ito yung akin. Lemon, lime, and bitters.
Thank you.
Okay, and kanino to, Han? Holly? Baba! Good?
What are you trying to get?
Good? Good?
They got like a signature.
Try natin, guys.
I'm trying to go.
Oo, sarap. Red. Tikman mo, masarap. Tropical. Kay Holly.
No, this is just Coke.
Try mo, masarap.
Yeah.
Hindi siya sobrang
They actually got a lot of things, Big Foods. They got a pretty good variety. Yeah.
gawa ni Mark.
Have you ever tasted
Nice,
Canado?
diba?
Canado.
Baba,
It's not going to
That's your Baba.
I'll let you taste it.
That's yours, Baba. Let Tita Kati try, Baba. It's good. Dahil, try mo din. Sarap.
They sell it at Foodland and all that.
Let Tita Kati try. Tropical din. Sarap.
I like it.
I-try mo muna.
No sugar or something in it.
Yeah.
Cat.
Cass.
I don't think there's any sugar in it.
No sugar. It's really
Like
good.
no artificial.
I'll get you one. This.
Baka hindi naman niya maubos, Day. Hati na lang sila. Try mo. Sarap.
Very tropical.
Refreshing. Mauubos na ni Kuya, sabi ni Jan. Lumulubog. Oo. Just get a glassan. Sabi ni Jan, wag nilang ubusin kasi wala pa yung food. Ayan o. Ayan na yung kay Sak. Kay Kuya, wala na. Doon na sa pinakababa. Sarap, Kuya? Sarap. Dito na yung food ni Kat. Ayun yung food ni Kat. And dito yung sa boys. Ay, parang ang sarap. Parang ang sarap. Oo, pepperoni and chips. Come on, Papa, here. Come on, here. You have to eat here. Yum.
Never ending.
Oh my God. You have to eat now, sir. Just bite it, Baba.
Making a mess, you kids. Zachary, put your mouth in it.
The chip is good. Sa special delivery. Say tasty to Tony. I don't know. You have another pepperoni?
No.
Tony. Give Ollie one, please. Hey, Baba, oh, careful with your clothes, please. You don't like?
What's that? Sloth.
It's good.
Yeah.
Sarap, no? Sisita? Sarap yung chips, pati yung pizza. Ah, thank you.
Oh, here's some lunch.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Unfortunately, I don't know that. I'm going to go and sit outside and have a cry, okay?
Sarap.
More cheese. More cheese, more cheese.
Chips, pizza. Yummy.
Cheese.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately, I've been wondering if you could.
Tapos na kami, guys, and ang daming tirang chips. Eto, si Holly, kinuha niya lang yung pepperoni and cheese. Magtutour daw kami dito, guys. Hindi ito masarap. Hindi siya masarap daw. Masarap. Matabang. Na-try mo ba? Try ko nga yan. Try ko yung kaykat. Yung kaykat nasa bote. Lemon bitter. Ang tabang mo. Parang yung tubig.
Ano ba yan?
Di ba? Parang wala lang.
Tabang naman yan. Hindi ko nga naubos yung akin eh. Parang tubig naman yan.
Na may lemon. Wala, pangit. Magtutour kami, guys. Guys, parang hindi pwede mag-vlog doon. So, hindi nyo makikita yung makikita namin sa loob. Kwento na lang namin. Tapos na, guys.
That's it.
Very
Sabi ko
hot.
na.
Sabi ko na. Anong masasabi mo sa tour? Puros alcohol lang naman. Sana kinain na lang namin yung $11.50 yung tour, guys. Ang bilis lang. Wala kami nakitang processing. Ano lang, mga barrels lang.
Yung amoy lang. Nalasing
Amoy,
na ako.
nalasing kami. Oh, at least, libre. Hindi kami. Kaya, masarap sana mag-OOTD doon, guys. Pero bawal ang camera.
Yung dalawa, holding hands pa din.
Oh, ang sarap nilang. Kanina pa sila nag-holding hands. Oh. Init ng hangin. It's hot. Dito lang tayo mag-OOTD sa isa. May isang bar. Ang dami nito sa loob, guys. Kung saan nila in-stock yung mga alak. Ang dami. What can you say about that, honey? Johnny boy. Amazed.
Was it better than the Timber tour in Gambia?
Mas ganda ang Coca-Cola tour natin. No, I didn't. Oh, you did? Umutot daw si Sok doon. Umutot sa akin na amoy daw nila ang baho.
Si Mark.
Si Mark.
Stinky na na. Sa strong ng alcohol na amoy yan, ang iba ko.
Ayun siya, oh. Kawawa naman si Sok. Sak! Nilambing na siya ng daddy niya. Lumayo siya sa amin kasi parang napahiya siya. Holding hands sila lagi. How about Aliyah? Oh, Aliyah don't want to. Only Mark. Alright. Where are you going now? Pabalik na kami guys sa aming resort. Sa Big 4. Ang init. Yes, 38 degrees na guys. Sobrang init na as in.
38 degrees.
Mag-swimming daw kami, sabi ni John. Mag-swimming daw kasi hindi pa ako nagsiswimming simula nang dumating kami dito. Nauna si Kat. Pangalawa kami. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung sunod sa amin. Dito na kami guys, kaso wala kaming susi na kay Dan, wala pa sila. Wala pa sila Race. Dito na kami. Mag-change kami kasi maliligo kami. Are you gonna go swim?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, I am today. Guys, sumama ako kila Race. Di ba magsiswimming kami? Sumama ako kila Race. Punta sila dito sa antique. Nandito na kami pala sa may antique shop. Si Jan ang naiwan doon sa mga bata. Dapat siya sasama. Tinanong siya ni Dan. Sabi niya no, I'm taking the kids sa ano daw sa pool. Kasi ako sumama. Andito na tayo guys. Oh. Magagandang bilhin sa mga antique, mga ganito. $32.
Is it a camera ba?
Ay! Antique na siya. Ito oh, $32. Ito maganda mga bilhin dito. Ganda siya lagyan ng dessert. Ang gaganda. Ito talaga, noon pa, may puti kami niyan. Yung sinasabit lang, parang may juice ba?
Pwede yan sa ano?
Punch.
Pandan.
Oo, salad. O, baka pala. Ito, sosyalin. Ilagay natin dito yung, ano yung ininom natin? Moscato. Ito, oh. Mga pang-sosyal na, dinner. Ito mga gusto ni Vice, ganda yung mga dala. Oo, ako naabutan ko to yung linalagyan siya ng uling. Ito, oo, planchahan guys.
Pero hindi ko siya nakita ginamit.
Ginamit ng mama ko.
Sorry.
Uling guys, di ba? Magkano? 64? Mas mahal pa sa Kmart. 65 siya guys. Ang dami dito, ang dami guys. Ayan. Ang dami. Ito magaganda to oh. Ang dami dito mga ganyan din. Diba? Si Race talaga oh. Tinuro pa yung sa akin yung nakakatakot doon. Mayroon naman siyang masisira dito. May nasira na siya guys. Binalik namin. Ito oh, ang dami pa ditong dolls oh. Ito yung mga nakakatakot sa mga candles ba na tapos biglang naman di ba? 220. Oo. Di kasya yan sa car natin guys. Naka-change na kami ni Race na pang swimming. Yung dalawang girls tulog ata. Sikat nagpaalam yun sa akin.
Tatlo yung girls natin.
Tatlo pala. Sikat nagpaalam, matutulog daw siya eh. So kami na lang. Naligo naman sila kaninang umaga. Init. Pinicturean ako ni Race doon, no. Nandun sa hot. Sa spa. Oo. Magsiswimming na kami, guys. And tinatawag na kami ng boys kasi nga nag-pictorial kami dito ni Race. Tara Race, galit ng boys, tinitingnan na tayo. Dito na kami ni Race. Ayun si Race. Ang lamig lang doon. Hi. Say hi.
Let's start on.
Show me how you say hi.
Ready? After this.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do, Papa?
Ready? Push.
Wow! Good job, Papa! Hi!
Like and subscribe!
Yeah, thank you! Hi! Wow, Papa! Good job, Baba! How did you know that? Again, Baba! Again! 1 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Good job, Mama. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Sige. Kuya.
What? Do it again.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. How about you, Zach?
Mom!
Wait, baby.
You should put it in the way when I...
So, Holly, come here, Papa. Oo. Sa bali niya yan unang ginawa ni Holly. Straight na straight talaga. Okay, go, Papa.
Go, Zaki, you can do it.
See, that's his name!
Oh, di ba ang tapang niya?
Do the tamales!
Okay, go. Di mo, straight niya to.
Ang happy?
Ang happy.
Pero parang ng ulo, lamig-lamig ang katawan. Babe, happy?
Wow! Wow! How about Dan, race. Do it to race. Go race. May suggestion si Holly. Daddy. Do it to Tita Ray. Ah! No. No, I can't.
Sige, Manay! Sige, try mo!
Go, Papa.
Oh, cute!
Wow!
Manay!
Hindi.
Dito lang!
Ayun. Oh, yeah! No, I don't wanna.
Dad!
Sige, ikaw. Oh.
Joke lang pala. Mahirap pala.
Sad goes in like this.
Mimi, I want it.
Don't lose it, okay? Okay, that's on now. Don't lose it.
Can you stop it?
Wow! Ang galing niya, Lala.
Mom, give it.
Okay, you have to
I'm
say.
gonna go on the water.
Yeah, make sure. Wait. Okay, Zach. Yo. Wait, Zach.
I want to jump.
Yeah, no. Jump where?
It's on now already. Yes. No, I'm not jumping.
Okay, just go soon.
Wait, okay, this.
Hindi sila takot itapon.
Mom,
Again siya eh.
Mom, wait, what was I gonna do with the camera?
You have to jump and then.
Like, can I jump into the water?
Yeah, go. Go.
And then get up first.
Yeah.
Can jump in. Mama, why come off?
na pagod. Sakit ng katawan nito ni Danny. Sakit ng katawan nito dati. Zach.
Siya na lang nagtapon na sarili niya.
Oo nga. Pagod ng tito Daniel. I do. I know it's not. Yeah, that's right.
Stay up there. Front back.
What?
Jump back.
Sige na. Ito TJ1. So TJ.
Oh, poor kuya.
Sige. Ito tapon.
Tapon mo na. Yeah. Wow. Saya. Yeah. Yeah.
Now you throw me.
Sige, try that.
So, Tito Dan. Hala si Holly. Oh. Si Holly pa rin na ba? You alright?
Take the water, mate.
You alright, Baba? Kick. And paddle like this. Good job. Again.
Oh, way more.
Mari monster. River Mari monster.
Go with Kuya Zach. Tapos pag akala mo bang nag-block na, ipindutin mo lang yung lalabas ulit siya. Kasi dati akala ko patay na siya.
The furthest.
He's way stronger.
Oh, exactly.
There we go. So it's weaker now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. Holly, naka 100 times tapon ka na, Holly. Hindi na.
Pero wag lang yan.
Wag na, oo, sa taas. Dahil nakailalim lang yung body namin sa tubig. Si Sak, hindi niya pinapahinga si Tito Dan. Wait, let Daddy have a rest, Baba. Ganito lang tayo, man. Hindi tayo lalamig. Asa na kaya sila, oh?
Matagal pa kasi itong init. Kasi matagal pa
Ang gabi. Oh. Ayun, nakuha ko sila.
I can't throw.
Hala, kuya.
I can't throw people. I can't.
Sorry, gusto. Sige, kuya, tapon mo. Ang layo.
Good job, kuya!
Ang layo.
Ang bigat din kayo.
At least try ni kuya.
You should do that.
Wow, good job, kuya.
Zaki, you should do this. And then he does it.
When you put your legs here, just carry it out.
Yeah, and then you dive, Zach. Try.
Down the dip.
Sige. Be careful, ha, Danny boy.
Okay lang yan si. Alis ka dyan, Holly. Kami, Papa.
This way.
Kuya, get Holly, please. Okay. Tapos naitapon doon, no? Sa may...
Front, ha?
Parang palaka lang si Holly. Did you? Oh, good job. Hoy! I am!
Ito mga bata.
Wala, no? Kanina pa sila. Diba? Wow!
Good job!
May ano sila.
May pambugs.
May pa, ano kayo din, exhibition na. Saktal, hindi tumatatakon si Kuya. Wala. Basta ang tinapon lang. That was good, Sak. How did you do that? Yeah. Ako napapagod sa... Are you done?
We're gonna go get ostrich. We're gonna play.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, he left already, kuya.
We're gonna get some.
He went the other way.
We'll get something tonight.
No, from there.
Reception. They have in the reception.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get some food.
Masarap sana yun.
Dad, the ice cream truck's gone.
Okay, so when you play ping,
Where will we get ice cream?
Yeah, I think it is.
you know how to play that?
Table tennis.
Yeah, I can do that.
I was South Australian champion for 4 years running.
Mom, can I go? Can I?
Okay.
Mom, I'm gonna go take
Are you done? Tapos na kayo mag-swimming guys. And yung mga bata andun. Oh. Kinuha nila yung kanilang scooter. Nakapark dito. Yun sila. Diba?
That's like a must-have when you come here to school.
We can get away, lose ourselves and say